Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So the news that we have all been waiting for has finally been confirmed by the DVSA that driving lessons and driving tests are back on. So finally things are getting back to normal, and the DVSA have issued a few dates and some people are confused about these. So let me give you the dates and what they're for. So 4th of July, that is the date that you can start driving lessons from, and they've given 22nd of July is when driving tests will resume from. So that gives learners enough time to prepare for their driving test, so you can have lessons, and driving tests won't start till 22nd of July. But like I said, 4th of July you can start learning to drive again. And the other date, the 6th of July, that is a date when the online system of the DVSA will be up and running. So at the moment, if you go online and try and book a driving test, it won't happen. But on 6th of July, that'll be up and running as well. So from 6th of July, you can go online and look for test dates. So now is the time to get in touch with your driving instructor and plan your driving lessons. And for those of you who have downloaded the Ultimate Driving course, get watching the videos and prepare for your driving lessons. And I can also now restart doing the mock tests on a regular basis. So if any of you want to do a mock test for YouTube, then please drop me a message on Instagram or Snapchat at DJN Driving. Good luck to all of you with your driving lessons and those who have the driving tests coming up. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.